In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recall a sent email in Microsoft Outlook fast 2025 guide. If you've noticed that the classic recall button is gone in the newest Outlook, here's the good news. The modern, reliable way to pull back a message is undo send. Instead of yanking an email from someone's inbox after it lands, undo send delays delivery for a few seconds, giving you a brief window to cancel. Let's set that up and use it end to end. Open your browser, search for Microsoft Outlook, and sign into your account. Once you're in, we'll enable the safety window. Click File in the top left corner, then choose Settings. Depending on your layout, you might see a settings gear. Either way, you're heading into the same area. In Settings, go to Mail, then select Compose and Reply. Scroll until you find Undo Send. This control determines how long Outlook waits before actually sending your message. Slide the control to the right to set a 10-second cancellation period. That gives you a short but crucial buffer to stop a send. Click Save to apply your change, and then click the X to close the settings panel. Now let's test it. Click New Mail. Enter your recipient, add a clear subject, and write your message. When you're ready, hit Send. Immediately look toward the lower corner of your Outlook window. You'll see an undo prompt appear. That countdown represents your 10-second window. If you notice anything off, like a typo, a missing attachment, or the wrong recipient, click Undo right away. Outlook will stop the send and reopen the draft so you can fix the issue and send again confidently. A quick reminder, timing is everything. Once those 10 seconds pass, the message is delivered and can't be cancelled. For important messages, keep your eyes on that undo prompt and be ready to click. This small habit makes a huge difference when you catch last-second mistakes. A few practical pointers to make this smoother. Pause briefly after sending so you can scan for errors during the countdown, double-check recipients and attachments before you press send, and use clear subjects so problems stand out immediately in your preview. That's it. You've enabled undo send, saved your settings, composed a message, sent it, and learned exactly how to cancel within the window. This is the fastest, most dependable way to recall a sent email in the latest Outlook. Enable it now so it's ready the next time you need it.